Hello guys, my name is Sweet Singh and I'm gonna give you the simplest way to remember the names of vitamins, their chemical names and the disease caused due to the deficiency of these vitamins. So let's start with the sentence. अरे अंधा है क्या? Here R refers to A, Ray refers to retinol and Andha refers to night blindness. Here retinol is the chemical name of vitamin A. So if you have the deficiency of vitamin A, you may suffer from the disease of night blindness. Second sentence is बावन थाने बारी बारी से गिरूं. Here bar refers to B, war refers to one, tha refers to thymine, bari bari refers to very very. So here thymine is the chemical name of vitamin B1, and if you have the deficiency of vitamin B1, you may suffer from the disease of very very. Third one, बेटा राइबो मुंह में छाले हो गए क्या? Here bar refers to B, ta refers to 2, ribo refers to riboflavin, मुंह में छाले refers to sores in the mouth. Riboflavin is the chemical name of vitamin B2. So if you have the deficiency of vitamin B2, you may suffer from the disease of sores in the mouth. Next one, birthday नियम मत भूलो. Here bar refers to B, tha refers to 3, नियम refers to niacin और nicotinic acid और भूलो refers to dementia. So niacin or nicotinic acid is the chemical name of vitamin B3. So deficiency of vitamin B3 may cause you the problem of dementia. Next one, brief पेंट पलंग पर रखो. bar refers to B, far refers to 5, pant refers to pantothenic acid and pal refers to pellagra. So deficiency of vitamin B5 may cause you the disease of pellagra. Here pantothenic acid is the chemical name of B5 vitamin. Next one, B spy enemy को दो. bar refers to B, sa refers to 6, pi refers to pyridoxine acid, enemy refers to anemia. Pyridoxine is the chemical name of vitamin B6. Deficiency of vitamin B6 may cause you the disease of anemia. बेटा साइन करो और लोहे की गोली लो. बायर refers to B, tar refers to 12, sin refers to cyanocobalamin and lohe refers to anemia. So deficiency of vitamin B12 may cause you the disease of anemia. Next one, C ऐसा कोबरा इस कर्व को बनाता है. C here refers to C, ऐसा कोबरा refers to ascorbic, इस कर्व refers to scurvy. So deficiency of vitamin C may cause you the disease of scurvy. Here ascorbic is a chemical name of vitamin C. Next one, डाली कल रिक्शे से लाना. डाली कल रिक्शे से लाना. Here da refers to D, ka refers to calciferol, rickse refers to rickets. Calciferol is the chemical name of vitamin D. So deficiency of vitamin D may cause you the disease of rickets. Next one, इनमें से तो को फिर और नए जन्मे फल चाहिए. Here E refers to E, tocopherol refers to tocopherol, नए जन्मे refers to reproductive. Here tocopherol is the chemical name of vitamin E. So if you have the deficiency of vitamin E, you may suffer from the disease of reproductive system problem, in which your reproductive system doesn't work properly. Next, कल फल कौन लाया, नाप के क्यों नहीं लाया, मेरा खून खोल रहा है. Here का refers to K, फल कौन लाया refers to phylloquinone and नाप के क्यों नहीं लाया, नाप के क्यों नहीं refers to naphthquinone and खून refers to blood clotting. Here phylloquinone is the chemical name of vitamin K. In this vitamin you may suffer from the blood clotting problem. I hope you would like my video. Thank you for watching.